how is GST settled through Amazon? How and who collects GST and pays to the Australian government? All right. So if you are, just a little bit of a caveat here, if you are a seller on amazon.com.au and your business is domiciled for tax purposes in Australia, then Amazon collects GST for you, all right? And there is a caveat around that, and I had to say all that kind of bump up front, because there's ways that you can actually not pay any GST at all in Australia and get quite an advantage because of that, because you can charge 10% less than other people. Anyway, so Amazon charges the GST for you, meaning that all the prices on Amazon, the RRP prices, the prices that people pay on Amazon, are inclusive of GST. So if you sell a product for $29.95, then that price that you are selling for includes GST. And I think the GST on $29.95 is around $2.70, something like that, give or take, quick math in my head, which means, of course, that you will receive from that $27 and what, $27.25 under that particular little bit of maths. So you would receive that. I don't know the exact amounts of GST on that, but you know, it's about that, $2.70, $27.30, you know. So Amazon collects that for you. Now, once they collect that for you, they will pay you the full amount, $29.95. They will pay that, the full amount to you, meaning that then the responsibility is with you to separate that stuff out, and on your business activity statements to declare that you've made $29.95, of which $2.70 was GST, for instance. So you got to go declare that on your BAS so you can pay the right amount of GST or get your GST refund, whatever it is you're due, all right? So there's that. And that's all assuming that, you know, you are in Australia and your business that you're selling through, or sole trader, whatever it may be, is done for that. And you may or may not be registered for GST. So that's got to be factored in for that as well. All right. And I don't want to kind of get too deep into that, but that's got to be factored in as well. And then as far as your customers are concerned, because here's where it gets interesting, at least from Amazon's point of view, as far as your customers are concerned. So Amazon, very, very annoyingly and rather irritatingly, does not provide a GST invoice for your customers. So when your customer goes into get their order summary, because Amazon calls it an order summary, it's not a GST invoice, what they're getting from amazon.com.au, okay? It's not a legal GST invoice. So if your customer wants a GST invoice, they will come to you to get one. They will come to you to get one, all right? Yeah, that's an inner circle thing to talk about how to do the no GST thing. We'll do that in inner circle. Yeah, which is a pain in the arse, because then you've got to kind of put that together. But, you know, in all the time I've been selling on Amazon Australia, I've had 3 people out of, you know, thousands of sales, had 3 people who actually wanted a GST invoice. Most folks were happy just to download the order summary / invoice, although it's not, strictly speaking, a legal GST document from Amazon. Anyway, they do that. So that's what I've been doing. So my strategy is, when somebody says to me, hey, can I get an invoice? I go, yeah, no worries. Here's what to do. I tell them to go into Amazon and click on their orders. So go look at their orders, then go to the view order details, and then in the view order details, they can get an invoice / order summary from there, and they can print it out directly. And so far, other than 3 people who've come back to me and said, hey, I actually need a legal GST document, Everybody that's asked me so far has been okay with that, all right? So try that. Otherwise, it's a monumental pain in the ass. Monumental pain in the ass. All right. That's where you go and do your order history. I was just looking at mine earlier. This is for Amazon.com.
Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.